So children, today we will study Change the Voice Part 5, Past Continuous Tense. Now just like from present tense or present continuous tense, we used being. In the same way, in past continuous tense also, in our passive form we will use being. So our sentence structure in passive voice for past continuous tense will have either was or were depending on the object, and it will be followed with being right after it. So it will be was or were and then being. Now assertive sentences of past continuous tense in active voice. First, the question: she was writing new stories for the magazine. Now, here in this sentence, our object is new stories. Now, new stories is plural. So, our helping verb will be were. Plural is stories is plural. So, our helping verb will become were, and immediately following were you will write being. New stories were being written. Writing changes to written because the ing of writing has shifted to being. Written by her for the magazine. Next sentence: they were planning a new scheme. Here the object is a new scheme. A new scheme is singular. So we will start our answer with a new scheme. A new scheme being singular, we put the verb was, and after that we will be immediately following it with being. A new scheme was being, planning changing to planned by them. There I have put it in italics, was being. This is important to write in passive voice. We were enjoying the movie in the theater. Object in the sentence is the movie. It is singular. So our verb will be was. The movie was being. Enjoying changing to enjoyed by us in the theater. The children were playing football in the garden. Here the object is football. So football also is singular. Again, football was. Then you add being right after it. Playing changing to played by the children in the garden. Next, interrogative sentences. The first question in active voice: was he correcting the wrong sentences? Now, here the object is the wrong sentences. Now, the wrong sentences is plural. Since it is an interrogative sentence, and we know, as I have stated previously, the question is interrogative, so the answer also will be in interrogative form. So here the question has started with was. Now our object is the wrong sentences. So our answer starts with the wrong sentences. But then our answer also should be in the interrogative form. So we have to change the place of the verb. It will start your answer. The verb will start your answer. Now the verb to be used for the plural form over here is were. W-E-R-E. So our answer starts with were. Were the wrong sentences. Then you put being. See, I have put it in italics. Were the wrong sentences being, correcting, changing to corrected by him, and then the question mark. So basically in the assertive sentences, was being and were being were together. Now since it is an interrogative question, between these two words has come your object in the middle of this two words. The next sentence, were they drinking coconut water at the beach? Now here our object is coconut water. Coconut water is singular. So our answer will start with the singular verb in past tense, that is was. Was coconut water being drunk by them at the beach? Next question. Was she collecting money for the temple? The object is money. Money is singular. So our answer starts with was. Was money being collected by her for the temple? Were the students making a lot of noise? Now here our object is a lot of noise. A lot of noise is singular. So since it is singular, your answer will start with a singular verb was. Was a lot of noise being, making changes to made by the students. We will see interrogatives with WH words like when, where, why, what, how, who. Here you see the first sentence in active voice. When was he doing the homework? The question has started with when, so the answer also will start with when. If you don't read the word when, read the question without reading the word when. What is the question? Was he doing the homework? The previous sentences were all starting with was and were. Now we have to add when before it. So our answer also will start with when. Otherwise, the same thing. Our object in this sentence is homework. Homework is singular. So our answer starts with was. When was the homework being done? See it. When was the homework being done? Doing has changed to done by him. Next question. How were you explaining the examples? Now here also the answer will start with how, since the question has started with how. Now our object is examples. So how examples is the object. So our object is plural. So again the verb which we will use will be plural. How were the examples being explained by you? Who was distributing the sweets? Now whenever you have a question with who, your answer starts with by whom. This you have to remember. Already told previously, by whom. Now object is sweets. Sweets is plural. So we put were. By whom were the sweets being distributed? This is what is the answer. Next question. Where were they taking the big truck? Now here our object is the big truck. Where the big truck is singular. So our verb will be was. Where was the big truck being taken by them? This is what you remember. This is our explanation of past continuous tense.